enterprise ontologies can be used to better understand and manage blockchain transactions. Blockchain enterprise ontology operates on 3 levels: datalogical, infological, and essential. Using the OntoClean methodology developed by Guarino and Welty, it can be emphasized the analysis of ontologies through metaproperties, formal, domain-independent traits derived from philosophical ontology. These help distinguish between properties of properties, metaproperties, and basic class relationships in the semantic web. In identity within ontologies, it is important to highlight sortals as classes with shared identification criteria. A foundational understanding of blockchain, including its public, private, and hybrid forms, is necessary for ontology design. Enterprise ontologies like TOVE, Toronto Virtual Enterprise, and DEMO, Design and Engineering Methodology for Organizations, provide frameworks for describing blockchain-related business operations and processes. TOVE aims to create distributed, semantic-rich representations of enterprises, using axioms to answer common-sense questions and graphical symbols for concepts. It supports multi-level modeling, ranging from conceptual to application-specific layers. TOVE is seen as part of second-generation knowledge engineering, focusing on building ontologies rather than just extracting expert rules. Meanwhile, DEMO, developed by Jan Dietz, views organizations as networks of actors communicating and acting under clearly defined responsibilities. Inspired by Flores and Winograd's language-action perspective, DEMO emphasizes structure over behavior and abstraction for effective modeling. Its principles advocate transparency, clarity, and matching information systems to user needs. The DEMO model includes 4 views of an enterprise: construction, organizational structure; process, coordination; action, behavioral rules; and factual, production state. Like database theory's separation of conceptual models from implementation, enterprise ontology also supports layered abstraction. DEMO introduces 3 fundamental human capabilities: performer, informer, and former, which underpin the ontological layers of blockchain: technical, datalogical; transactional, infological; and economic, essential. Using structured ontologies like TOVE and DEMO enhances understanding and implementation of blockchain systems, supporting interoperability, clarity, and alignment between business needs and technical structures.